Happy morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. L. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about inter first year mathematics. Topic is matrices. In earlier classes, already we have discussed some basic important definitions of matrices, examples, and a few properties already discussed in the previous videos. Right? Now we have discussed about tree. In previous class, tree 1 discussed and tree 2 discussed. Now, tree 3, that is a type 3 only. So, type 3, A is equal to Aij is a M by M matrix. Square matrix is a square matrix. First one is A power T is equal to A. It is a symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. A power T is equal to minus A is a skew symmetric matrix. A power theta is equal to A is a Hermitian matrix. A power theta equals to minus A skew Hermitian matrix. These are the four definitions already discussed in the previous classes and elaborately. Why we are writing only? We are applying a tree method and extend some more definitions also. Right? Here A square is equal to A idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. A square is equal to I nilpotent matrix. Sorry, this is invaluatory matrix. And extremely sorry, is an invaluatory matrix. A square is A power n is equal to 0. N is a Z plus positive integer. Nilpotent matrix. Nilpotent matrix of index. Index is n. Index is n. A power t is equal to a symmetric matrix. A power t minus a skew symmetric matrix. A power theta is equal to a Hermitian matrix. A power theta is equal to a minus a skew Hermitian matrix. A square is equal to a is a idempotent matrix. A square is equal to I invaluatory matrix. A square A power n is equal to 0 is a nilpotent matrix. And we are also extending another branch. A into A power t is equal to I. This is equal to A power t into A. Orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. A is called a orthogonal matrix. A into A power theta into A is equal to I is a unitary matrix. Unitary matrix. And finally, A power lambda plus 1 is equal to A. A is called a periodic matrix. Periodic matrix with the fundamental period lambda. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 definitions also there. Right? Symmetric, skew symmetric, Hermitian, skew Hermitian, idempotent matrix, invaluatory matrix, nilpotent matrix, orthogonal matrix, unitary matrix, and periodic matrix only. These are the very important definition of another tree, type 3 tree method only. This is easy to remember this method only. Now we discussed some important problems on tree models only. If AB is equal to A, BA is equal to B, then what is B square minus A square? B square minus A square, what is the value? Here simply know that here AB is equal to A is given and BA is equal to B also given. AB is equal to A and BA is equal to B only. Now we are considering either first part or second part. We are considering first part. So AB is equal to A only. Implies A into, this is AB, in the B replaced in only BA. BA is equal to A. Implies, because the matrix multiplication always associate to AB into A is equal to A only. Implies AB already is A there, A into E is equal to A only. Implies A square is equal to A. Means A square is equal to A. Already in 3 method, A square is equal to A means A is idempotent matrix. So A is idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. Similarly, B square is equal to B only. So what is our value? B square minus A square. That B square means B, A square means A. So our final answer is B minus A. Our final answer is B minus A. Whenever AB is equal to A and B is equal to B, then B square minus A square is always B minus A, and particularly A and B are called idempotent matrices. Question number 2. The square root of 9009 is sometimes options are given. First option is plus or minus 3i, second option plus 3i, third option is minus 3i, fourth option is 9i. How you can prove this problem? It's very simple only. Consider A is equal to 9009. We are applying a root. Square root means square root only. Applying a root. 9 taken as common term, 1001. Right? This is 9 always consider nothing but plus or minus 3 into I, we root I means I square, or I can be written as I square, I cube and so on and so on. That means this is can cancel only. Answer is plus or minus 3i. So this is we are get it. This is we are get it. And problem number 3, the square root of 7, 10, 14, 24 is. So how you can prove this problem? How you can find the square root of this problem? Problem number 3, the square root of 7, 10, 15, 22 is options 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one 3, 4, 2, 1. Third option 4, 2, 3, 1. Fourth option none. In generally, majority of the students opting because of 7 is not a perfect square, 10 is not a perfect square, 15 also, and 22 also. So all are not perfect square. In the previous problem, 9 is given. 9 is a perfect square. That's why we are writing a root 9 means plus or minus 3. So we are writing a directly opting a option answer only. But in this case, all are different values are not perfect square. How we can find the answer? Majority of the students opting only none. So answer is none is not correct. Coming to this one, 7, 10, 15, 22. So we are finding a square root. Because of this root, we don't know that value treated as a b square. So the complete this value can be written as b square. So root, this is nothing but b only. B means either first option or second option or third option, or if 3 are not there, that means that immediately we are opting 4. So now coming to the B. B means suppose this one. So b square is 1. We have choose this one. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Square means same type 1, 2, 3, 4. You can multiply matrix multiplication already you know. So row into column. So first row into this one, that is 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Second one is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. Third one is 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3. And fourth one is 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4. So this one, what is this one? 1 plus 6, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 12, 6 plus 16. So the answer is 7, 10, 15, 22. We are getting a question only. We are getting a question. Therefore, this option is a correct option. So our answer is, we are getting this one only. For this model in competitive examinations given, so don't take directly. We are following this procedure only. We are getting the answer only. Thank you very much for good listening. Thank you.